Hello, everybody.
I'm sorry, you said that we have who here? I'm confused. Were we supposed to have some civil stuff there?
So, they, for the 3:30, the civil pretrial, I think they filed for the meeting. So it was converted.
Oh, it just says LT in here, okay. Mr. Asphalt,
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, Judge.
hello, you're here on the pretrial?
Yes.
Okay, I see Angelica Brito is here. I don't see Harley Honeycutt.
He's at work. Yeah, Your Honor.
Give me just a moment. Who just joined from an iPhone? What's your name?
Cordell Smith.
What is the background noise? What is the background noise?
What background noise you hearing?
Jesus help me. He's scheduled for what? He's one of, it's at 2:45. He's one of Bob's, why is he on Zoom?
Well, I don't know.
Why are you on Zoom and not in person, sir?
I'm at work.
Oh, well, you don't have the option of appearing from Zoom. I told you
Okay.
you had to appear in person.
Nobody told me I had to appear. Okay.
No,
Alright.
I can guarantee you, I say it 20 times a day on Wednesday. All hearings in person, your paperwork says you need to appear in person. So if you're not here before we close the business today, a default judgment will enter against you.
Mhm.
Who's Alejandra's iPhone?
Yes.
Start your video. Which matter are you here on?
I'm from Carolina, Highland Flat.
Highland Flats, okay. So you're here for the pretrial as well. Okay,
Cool.
let's see. You said Harley Honeycutt failed to appear, so Harley Honeycutt can be defaulted for failure to appear. Mr. Asphalt,
Judge, that's my husband.
he was supposed to appear in court today.
He's had to work. It said that we could both appear. We both live
Yeah,
here.
No, I know exactly what the paperwork says. I sent it out. It doesn't say that you could appear on behalf of someone else. It said you were both ordered to appear, both of you.
I misunderstood that. I'm sorry, Judge.
That's not my issue. That's up to Mr. Asphalt if he wants to default or not. If he doesn't, then he doesn't have to seek a default. But if you fail to appear for court, you get a default if they request it. So I'll put you in a private meeting room so you all can go over your joint pretrial statement. Mr. Asphalt can determine whether or not he wants to default the defendant that failed to appear today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Asphalt? Okay, Mr. Asphalt is back on. Let's see, who do we have here? I think we're waiting for just Mr. Asphalt at this point.
Austin sent me a Teams. He said that Mr. Asphalt called, he got disconnected from Zoom and cannot reconnect. What should he do?
I'm confused.
Yeah.
You're the one who left the court. What do you mean, what should he do?
That he was here.
He had no business leaving the court. What kind of problem solving does Austin think we do? I can't help you if your phone is disconnected and you can't get back on. There, one is for
Yeah, one is
one and one's the other. One's at the phone.
I see. For each one.
Mhm. Okay, it appears that Mr. Asphalt got disconnected and for some reason is unable to get back on. I don't know what that reason is. But I'm not continuing this because he was in the court today. He didn't have to leave. So I don't know What's
He
fine?
wasn't in the court today. I was using his phone for Zoom. I'm on a computer right now.
I'm talking about Mr. Asphalt.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
Looks like he's back. Mr. Asphalt? I'm done. Mr. Asphalt? Mr. Asphalt? That's why he can't get back on, it's because he's driving. Both cases are dismissed. You're all set. You're free to go, Ms. Brito.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see, Brito is here. Who's here for Highland Flats? Okay, there's no attorney here for Highland Flats. This is this file? No, it's not. It's a D file. Okay, on the record in the matter of Highland Flats versus Honeycutt 25-03444 LP. Council can have your appearance, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Hamza Sob on behalf of the plaintiff.
And I see Harley Honeycutt and Angelica Brito. If you can unmute and state your name for the record.
Angelica Brito.
My name's Hartley Honeycutt.
Okay, this was a motion to set aside dismissal and reinstate case. It says plaintiff filed a complaint on June 18, 2025 for the property in question. There was a hearing back on July 23rd for non-payment of rent before this court. The hearing was scheduled at 3:30. Counsel for the plaintiff did Zoom in for the hearing on the correct date and did check in with the court. However, after waiting in the waiting room in courtroom, counsel for the plaintiff got disconnected from the virtual court hearing after 20 minutes of trying. Counsel and plaintiff was unable to reconnect, but was advised by the court clerk that the case was dismissed without prejudice. The plaintiff's knowledge, the defendant remains in the home to this date and currently owes $2,597 in unpaid rent. Did I miss anything of importance in your motion?
No, Your Honor. I think that's perfect.
Okay. Help me understand why you would be in my Zoom room for a hearing.
I believe it was a Zoom hearing or a mistake of a Zoom hearing.
I don't hold hearings via Zoom for landlord tenant. You had to, that's in person only. I say that like a broken record at the pre-trial.
I understand that, Your Honor. I'm always in the 54A. I believe one of my colleagues had a scheduling conflict and he appeared via Zoom. And then he was the one that got disconnected. Sorry?
Oh, no, absolutely not. Mr. Asphalt, who was here, and then you just refreshed my recollection. I know why the case was dismissed. Mr. Asphalt was here. Mr. Asphalt handled the hearing and then he left. Mr. Asphalt got into a vehicle and started driving and tried to log in and pretend like he couldn't hear the court because he was driving while into the court. And this is after I've already had the same issue with Mr. Asphalt by driving and trying to operate Zoom, which is against the law. And he lied then. And so this time he got disconnected. He did not have a good signal because he's moving in a motor vehicle during the time. So the case was dismissed. He had no authority from the court to appear via Zoom for said hearing because all my hearings are in person. He also had already had an issue with this court about appearing while driving a vehicle. I do not let anyone, especially litigants, appear while they're driving a car, and I'd expect an attorney who has a bar license to know better. So the case was dismissed because he failed to appear for court. So he can reissue the case and start from scratch. Maybe he'll learn how to follow the law in the courtroom.
I understand. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set. Ms. Brittle, Mr. Honeycutt, we're free to go.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.